Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to explore semantic HTML element. In this video, I will cover what is semantic HTML and why should you use it, and what is non-semantic. Semantic elements are HTML tags that carry meaning about the structure of the content. Why it's important? They make it easier for both developer and machines to understand the content. The advantage of using semantic element: accessibility, it's easier for a screen reader, improved search ranking, easier to read and understand. In addition, it make more efficient CSS. An example of a semantic element are header for introductory content or navigation links, and nav tags for navigation links. We have article for self-contained composition like a blog post, and we have a section tag for a standalone section like a chapter. We have a side, and we have a footer. In addition, we have a main. Example of non-semantic tags are div, spam with IDs and classes, and semantic using meaningful tags like header, nav, main, and footer. So let's dive in and use this in actual using text editor. Create a new folder and name semantic structure or any name that you want, and open this using Visual Studio Code. Create HTML file, index HTML. And now the basic structure of HTML. Change the title of the browser, and let's lay out the semantic tags that I want to use in this tutorial. I have header, nav, a side column, and I have main content, and I have a footer. That's all we need in this HTML file for now. Let's create CSS file and start first by linking the CSS file in the HTML, and now we need to start styling. Before we start styling, let's see this. I have 2 columns and I have 4 rows: header, navigation, and a side and main content and footer. And in the main content I have as well 3 columns and 2 rows. So I want to achieve this style using CSS. Start by displaying grid and grid template area. I have only 2 columns. I want to put them side by side. Grid template rows, first and second and fourth will take as long as their content, and the third will take remaining space. First column will take 1 fraction and the second column will take 3 fractions. Let's place them in their areas by their name, and later we will change the content of each element and dive deep into styling. Now I want to add content on the main, and in this main content I want to add 4 sections. One section should be full row, and 3 more to be as a column.
Now, as you see, this page is not responsive, so let's add a media query in order to make it responsive in a smaller screen. And I want max width 768 pixel, so you can customize this according to your own need, so you can make it smaller than this. Now we have one column. This is the second column. We have three main column in the main content and 2 rows. So we achieved our goal by styling the page. Now let's add JavaScript to our HTML file. Now put the JavaScript at the bottom of HTML, and this JavaScript is very simple. I want just the read more links. As you see, I didn't link any read more links, so I want when you click for read more links, you give you alert that these links contain this link contain nothing to read. That's all for today. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and consider subscribing. Until next, happy coding.